Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dynamic link library and an arc dynamic link library error during game installation. So thanks to answer.microsoft.com provide this article, and a.user also provide us the solution, the method. So here, the ISDone.dynamic link library and an arc.dll error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well program of large size. So if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here you can try to equals Windows page file or virtual memory. Let's start it by hold Windows key and R key button. And here we go, the run box will show up, and you can type sysdm.cpl. Click OK, and here you can click on Advanced. This is the system properties. Click Performance Settings and click Advanced again, and this is the virtual memory change. Untick this box in order to manually manage paging file size. Click custom size and fill this initial size by 400 and 3000. You can set OK, apply, then restart your PC or laptop and try to reinstall the game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.